Ensure the new jamb sits perfectly flush with both drywall and exterior siding so the door seals, looks right, and resists drafts and moisture. Start by measuring the combined thickness of the drywall plus any trim and the exterior siding so you know the final face plane the jamb must meet. Remove the old jamb and check the opening for twists and bows using a straight edge and a square, then shim the rough framing where needed to create a flat surface. Cut filler or spacer strips from stable paintable wood to the exact thickness required where the jamb would otherwise gap. Test fit these pieces dry before any screws go in so you can confirm the reveal is correct. When you place the jamb, use a pair of long clamps or temporary screws to hold it while you tap the jamb gently with a soft mallet to seat it against the filler and the framing. Small taps let you fine-tune alignment without splitting the wood. Fasten the jamb with long screws through the jamb into the framing at the hinge locations first, but do not drive them fully tight until you confirm the door swing and gaps. This lets you make minor shifts. Finally, check the exterior siding plane and add a backer shim or a tapered shim where needed so the jamb face does not sit proud of the siding. Then finish fastening and seal the exterior gap with a compatible sealant to keep moisture out. Common issues include a jamb that bows away from drywall, creating an uneven interior reveal, a jamb set proud of the siding, making the exterior trim sit off, and overdriven screws that twist the jamb and bind the door. For a bowed jamb, keep a long straight edge across the jamb and use thin adjustable shims between the jamb and framing to flatten the face before final screws. If the jamb is proud of the siding, add precise thickness filler strips behind the jamb or plane the exterior edge slightly so the jamb face aligns with the siding plane. To avoid screw-induced twisting, drive screws only until they just pull the jamb to the shimmed surface, then open and close the door to test before fully seating the screws. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like door jamb replacement so we can find local pros and share recommendations. We provide a discussion community where we all exchange tips and post photos so homeowners and contractors can learn from real examples.